Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today's a wash day featuring the HGC G1 Formula hair care products. These are specialist products that I got from a hair growth clinic. And if you want to learn more about that, you can watch my previous video. So as you can see, my hair is quite full. My only problem is my nape and the front of my hairline. As you can see, it's short, it's thinning, it's breaking. I don't like it, and I'm finally going to do something about it. So to start off, I start with the G1 Formula shampoo with caffeine extract, vitamin B6 and vitamin B12. This is from the HGC Hair Growth Center. The product does not get very sudsy. It smells a little bit like aloe vera, a little bit like medicine. Doesn't have such a strong smell, and it washes away nice and easy. The instructions are for me to apply it to my scalp directly, massage it in, really work it in, because I'm only supposed to do one wash. I'm supposed to use the product sparingly, let it sit for 3 minutes, and then wash it off. So this is why I'm washing my hair in large plaits, so that I can easily get to my scalp. Each bottle is 200 milliliters, aside from the regrowth formula. And I really want to work that product in and just make sure it gets everywhere on my scalp before I wash it away. Now it's time for the G1 Formula conditioner with caffeine extract and vitamin B5. This product, again, massage it into the scalp, directly apply it to the scalp, let it sit for 3 minutes, and then wash it away. It has a stronger smell, but it's still fairly light, and I cannot really pinpoint what it smells like. Probably I could say it smells like caffeine, because it says it has caffeine inside. So this is a 6 months treatment, guys. I'm hoping to get really great results at the end. And when I say great results, I don't mean to have 60-inch hair by the end of it. What I mean is to have the sparse areas filled in and the short areas grown out, enough for me to be able to catch it in braids and cane rows and keep it clean, moisturized, and protected underneath whatever hairstyle I choose to do. So again, I'm working that into my scalp all around, massaging it in, making sure it gets everywhere on my scalp. And then I am going to wash this out. In this video, I'm not using any other hair products because I really want to focus on the G1 Formula products. But in an upcoming video, I will show you how I get the rest of my hair clean and moisturized. And now step 3 is the phase 1 regrowth formula. It's a small bottle that they've given to me, and what I'm supposed to do is take my syringe, which is 1 milliliters, take this, fill it up to where the mark where it says 1 milliliters, and then apply it to my problem areas and massage it in. And I'm supposed to do this once in the morning, once in the evening, and then and I'm supposed to do it twice a day, actually. Yes, twice a day for the 6 months. Massage it in, and hopefully I should see results. I did ask the trichologist if I could continue to wear my wigs, and they said yes. I did give my hair a short break for a while, but I have been wearing the wigs, and I'm hoping that you know, despite wearing the wigs, that these products will still perform, because I don't want to keep playing in my hair and restyling it every day whilst I'm doing the treatment. I just want to treat it, moisturize it, leave it alone. So this is why I still wear the wigs. And this is the results to begin with, so you can, I'm waiting to see the results after 6 months. So thank you guys for watching. I'm just giving you a closer look, and I will see you in the next video. Please check out my previous video to this one. It gives you a little bit more detail about how and why I went to the HGC clinic in the first place. Okay, bye guys.